Nigeria court don adjourn Mazi Nnamdi Kanu $1 billion suit against Nigeria government. No be small thing o. Una remember the court where barrister lawyer Ejumako win for Umuahia abi? They say that this is now they need to retalk am again. Since that time wey they put appeal for federal high court, na so they postpone am. As we dey talk right now, they say that the Nigeria court again don adjourn am again to unknown date wey we say we no know. No be small things dey happen o. This case na dem go tire sha, but as that one dey happen, as we dey talk right now, na the one Biafra Liberation Army don come outside. They come talk say say na the gidigban wey dey get down for inside or so. He say as him dey talk, say many of Nigeria army don run o. He say most of them sef as we dey talk, they don kpai them for that side. Now I come say hey, this one dey happen where I come dey. However, we go play you the video, make you watch before we come back, come continue.
The ground of Biafra need to suck more, but they do not allow it. Just 30 and you are running. Allow this thing to reach 50 now. Allow this thing to reach 50. At least you have bonus. Today is 2nd March 2024. Time now standing 29 minutes after 12 p.m. Well, I don't want to assume, because the way they take cry and run, I don't want to assume if they will come back this evening or afternoon. But all the same, let's wait for them. I want you to praise Chukwu Kikabiama. Keep praising God. Keep praising God. Because He have done it again today. One person just asked me a question now. Let me respond to this idiot. He say his name na Azagaya. Is it Azama of Gods? You know, na fake person, na fake. But let me just read what he said. He said, why una no dey leave bush and go attack them? Why una no dey leave bush and go attack them? That is what he just asked. Why una no dey leave bush and go and attack them? If una have army, go attack them. I don't want to finish his message. Now let me ask this idiot. Why una no? Why also ask Nigeria army? Why una no dey leave Amotown and come with leg? Why, since when una dey collect woto with leg? Why una dey die inside Amotown? Anyway, now una don't know say even inside the Amotown you see they collect woto. Now you know that even inside the Amotown you see they collect woto. So that one is not a question, my brother. You should be ashamed of yourself. If you are a Nigerian, you should be ashamed of yourself. A very people when not even reach 1,000. A very one barrack when not reach 1,000. One barrack, one mini barrack of Biafra army. Now you pack 30 Amotown come, 2 fighter jets, and more than 2,000 personnel, and you could not do anything. Are you not ashamed? You know, you're not supposed to open your mouth. We don't break all the armor tank and finish. Now 4 now you carry come. You come with 30, you cannot do anything. Now 4, you think say you go fit do anything. Idiot. Yes, the reason why we cannot leave bush is to to save the life of our citizen. That is why we cannot leave bush. That is why we draw you toward bush, where people are not living, so that you will not kill the innocent people, because we know what you can do. Yes, we know what you can do. Do you understand? We know what you can do. If we daytime, if we come confront you along the road, you go shoot anything shootable. You go shoot anything shootable. You understand that? Anything shootable, now you go shoot. And we know what you can do. So we didn't want any casualty to our citizen that we are protecting. Even when you dey die like this, if you dey go, wetin you dey do? No be anything you dey shoot. No be everything you see on the road you dey shoot. To revenge your death. Come bush. Come bush. We dey bush. Na bush we dey. You know where we dey. As you dey come on the road wey lead to the bush, you no dey see us. We no dey fight you. You no dey die. Simple thing. Road na road. Inside bush there is no building. But we want to keep our citizens safe. That is why we take the battle out of the dwelling place of our citizen and bring you to where it will be between you and us. You see us, we see you. We fight that fight where they hungry you. And that is what we have been doing. So why are you asking? You know where we dey now. Your duty is to come. Nobody you come here to say you won't come pursue us, come up for bush. You don't pursue us. Now let me tell you, let me shock you. When time reach for us to leave the bush, we will announce any area we want to come. We will announce our citizens to evacuate from that area, at least for one day. If you last war there, if we want to declare war there for one day, we will ask them, please just find somewhere, relocate for one day, that we are coming. And we also invite you to come that area. Or maybe definitely it's going to be the area that you are, so that we should come. We are coming there to meet you. All right? That is it. That is it. That is a fact. Yes. That is a fact. So therefore, permit me to tell you that this war, you cannot do any pinging. You are dying and you remain dying until Biafra is restored. Do you understand that? You will not understand. You will not understand. Because dead man does not understand anything. Biafra is here to stay. Biafra must remain, and Biafra can never, never, never go away. And then you understand that we are the children of the Most High God. And in this land that God gave to our ancestors, that hand over to our father, that hand over to us, believe you me, we must hand this land to our children without your presence as a zoological republic of terrorist nation, without the presence of Britain to do just that. And do you know, in this land of our ancestors, we go nowhere. So if you think you can stop us, or you can stop the restorations of Biafra, move forward and see if you will get your life back. That is a promise, not a threat. Yes, it's a promise, not a threat. Because that thing where you carry come to the land of Biafra, now that thing where you go see. You go use your two naked eye and see it. And you believe that indeed Chukwu Kika Abiyama is at work. He know they sleep. It's a God of vengeance. And whatever thing you sow, you must reap. Yes, that is my message for you. If you don't believe it, put your effort. I say, come Ada. Come Ada. Come Ada. Gather everything. Starve your nation and bring all the money, buy all the ammunition you can. Bring it here. Now here, go kill you. And at the end, I will sit here to tell you, we go nowhere. We are still here.
Shebi una remember say Asari Dokubo tell us say if Tinubu fuck up, say make we hold am. Since wey Tinubu don fuck up we don dey find Asari Dokubo, me and my boys everywhere. Mo ask am, oga how far na? Abeg, I wan take settle this matter, because remember say you tell us say once Tinubu fuck up, may you let us know, say we go come hold you. And now Tinubu don fuck up, we no dey hear Asari Dokubo voice again o. Abeg, anybody wey know am o, wey know we how I wan take reach am, make tell am say boys dey ask for am for street, because he say make we hold am if Tinubu fail. My people, that is where to get where you sell your own people. When you think say Igbo na your problem, when you think say Biafra na your problem, when you think say Nnamdi Kanu na your problem, this is what you get. Asari Dokubo, good morning. How far na? How market? I want know how far where you don't go. How many appointments wey Tinubu don give you? Rather, you no talk again. Na so e be, my people. Imigadi mi kanda na akpa. Na so e be. However, na so we see amo, and I will say mo bring am conscious, and I don't hear am with una 2 ear say that some people run and they buy some people join for the matter. Our news na they talk am, na so we dey bring am come show am say see una wetin this person talk am. Na so e be. My people, abeg may you share this video and make sure say you dey follow this channel for more updates. Check out our update wey we don dey update, because e get some things wey you don miss. Make you try go look am and check whether they follow us as well for inside TikTok. If you know they follow us, may you quickly go follow us for there. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very, very important. My people, we'll quickly see you for the next update as it dey hot. Make sure say you share so that other people go see they follow up and they know wetin they go on. May you let us know what you think for inside comment section, your own opinion.